The URL inspection tool answers one question nothing else in Search Console can. And that is, what does Google think of this exact page right now? Paste any URL from your property into the search bar at the top of Search Console, and you get Google's current record for that page, whether it's indexed, when it was last crawled, and which URL Google picked as a canonical. That canonical line is the one people skip, and it's the most useful thing on the screen. It shows the canonical you declared next to the canonical Google chose. When those two disagree, Google is telling you it folded your page into a different one. That's your cannibalization report, one URL at a time. Then there's test live URL. The default view shows a cache record from the last crawl, which could be weeks old. The feature fetches the page right now as Googlebot sees it. Use it after you fix something, because otherwise you're reading old news and concluding nothing's changed. The live test also gives you the rendered HTML. If your content loads through JavaScript or through an embed, check that it actually appears in that render. Content Google can't see in the render is content that doesn't exist. Two things it won't do: it won't show you rankings, and requesting indexing from here doesn't jump the queue. If you need help with anything that I just mentioned, feel free to book a call.